Hello again, it's Landa Lynn from Landa, and Greg Sprunk with Superior Cleaning Equipment, and we are talking about probably the fastest selling Landa product that has come out in quite a while, and that's the belt drive MHC, right?
Yep, dealer design.
Yep. So the dealers basically had designed this product about, I don't know, 6-7 years ago, I think, and then we were looking for an upgrade to it, and we decided to add belt drive to this particular portable model. What the MHC series is a portable direct drive, normally 12 volt burner machine, 4 gallons a minute at 3,500 PSI is where we sell probably 90% of them, right? They have some 3-at-3s and some 4-at-3s and some other models. But what happened was, and it's got a 13 horsepower Honda, the Landa Industrial Triplex General Pump. But what happened was the dealers wanted to have something between a skid type unit, which is the PGHW behind us, that has a 120 volt burner, 20 horsepower Honda, 5 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI, but something on wheels that would be something that would fill that gap a little bit. So there are some dealers in Minnesota, Tennessee, and some other places, ourselves included, Vegas, that helped design and actually engineer this product. And so it's the same MHC series, which has the kind of the incline control panel, which again is something the dealers liked. Hour meter, tachometer combo, adjustable thermostat burner indicator light, on and off for the burner. You got the 13 horsepower GX Honda 390 motor, electric start, overhead valve, great motor. And so what we did was, if we walk around here, we basically made it a belt drive unit. And Lynn, you're pointing out something about the RPM on this unit versus the...
Right. So on a direct drive, you're looking at about 3,300 RPMs, where on this unit, you're at around 1,800 RPMs. So it's running about roughly half the speed that a direct drive unit is. And the other thing that Greg was talking about was the frame. The frame is a powder coat paint frame. With powder coating, it's less likely to chip when moving it around. The coil wrap itself, it's horizontal. You'll notice the width of it. It's easy to fit in and out of doorways, very maneuverable, and so easy to move from job to job. Being a horizontal coil, the heat rise is a lot more efficient versus a vertical coil. Easy to work on the burner, which is nice if anybody's ever had to work on the burner, because it's right underneath what we call the little hood that we have to protect the burner from all the garbage and crap.
And that's a good point, because what happens is when it's out there and it's raining, on a vertical coil, what happens is the debris in the water, whatever this comes down in there, or condensation, and all of these components are sitting at the bottom of a vertical burner. So here, you've got a horizontal burner. Not only I'm at standing height right now, I'm 6'4", so if I want to work on it, I can work on it right from here. And you pop these 6 bolts, you pop it off, and you've got you've got service access to the coil and things of that nature. Good point. And look at it is very narrow.
10-gallon fuel tank, so you can run it most of the day.
You've got a insulated battery box here for the battery, and you've got, like I said, foam-filled flat-fleet tires. So what happens from a dealer point of view, and for a customer, it's important to know, is now you've got a unit that's got a 12-volt burner, that's belt drive. We don't hesitate mounting this on a trailer or using this in the back of a pickup truck or a van or anything like that for industrial application. Still maybe a shot below the 120 volt PGHW, but listen, at around a high 7 price point versus 11, it's a great big difference, and it still helps you get the job done, and maybe help you get into the business if you weren't doing it already, for an easy point of entry. The other thing is, let's say that you've got a construction yard or you've got a facility, and you just need something that is easy to maneuver around, or maybe you can put on one of those little trailers you can pull behind the gator. You can throw this on there because it weighs only...
weighs 600 pounds.
600 pounds versus, some of the other larger units are a lot bigger.
So me being the factory representative, one of the things that really excites me is the dealers actually, we sent this unit in the direct drive version around to all the dealers. The dealers took a look at it. They're the ones that have to deal with the pain. of the fact that it's not been manufactured right. They put all their input into it, so you're getting a unit that's been tried and tested and will work and bought in by the dealer. So it's a very, very good unit in that respect. In fact, it's become our highest moving unit, and it's hard to keep it on the shelf.
Yeah, it's great. And over here you can't see, but in the warehouse we've got 5 of them over there that we stock at any given time. And we actually stopped selling the direct drive because the price point for the direct drive was only $100, $200.
Right.
So we just order in the belt drive, gives the customer a more durable unit, better experience, and it's good for us.
Right.
So
one thing that I skipped on the coil, I jumped on it and then skipped with the stainless steel wrap, and then also it's got a 5-year warranty on the coil.
Non-prorated.
Exactly. That is a key, Dave.
My name's Greg. Hey, Greg, nice to meet you.
I saw Dave walking in the background.
Yeah.
But anyway, there is a lot of
His name is Ted, by the way.
there's a lot of competitors that they do prorated.
Yeah, that's right.
And so they skip to tell you that until it's time to fix it.
Yeah.
So
and
then
7-year on the back end of the pump.
Exactly. And 5 years on the frame.
Yep.
So should we go more?
Well, the good thing is, and by the way, you buy a piece of equipment like this from a dealer, you've got local service, you got local support, you've got parts. This machine, the basics of the machine, except for the pump, which we also stock a lot of parts for, hasn't changed. So this machine's been out for 10 years, and we have, here at Superior Cleaning Equipment, we've got $600,000-$700,000 in parts at retail to support these kinds of machines. We're going to check it in, unbox it, fill it with pump oil, fill it with fuel, do the oil testing. Right now, this is how it comes from the factory, but we'll put the gun and wand together, run through it, put the hose together, and deliver it to you where you can come and pick it up, and we offer the training on it. So that's the benefits of buying from a dealer. In our case, we've been doing it 28 years.
Well, and one thing you didn't say is that you guys are all factory certified.
Right.
And a warranty service center. A lot of people say they can work on them.
Right.
But you want to take it back to the person that knows what they're doing.
Right. So anyway, that's the Landa MHC4-35324/E belt drive model, and it's a big hit.
Yep.
It's a great piece of equipment, another tool for your arsenal in helping clean up your dirty little world. Yeah. So thanks for tuning in. See more of us at www.sceclean.com. And Lynn, thanks for joining me again. Thanks again for another video. It's Lynn, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, okay, good. Thanks.